Hi guys, welcome to the second video. What is programming? Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a certain task. Programming can be done using a variety of computer programming languages such as C, Python, C Sharp, C++, and other programming languages such as Java. But for this course, we're going to focus on C and C++. Programming can be used on robotics and automation. As you know that a robot can perform or it can operate for 24 hours without rest, and it can perform a difficult task that a human cannot do. Then we have what we call Internet of Things. Some people they call it IoT. So you can use programming on IoT or Internet of Things, such as home automations. You can use your smartphone to operate or control devices in your house, such as lights, aircon, locking the door, just by using your smartphone, and many others, such as opening the garage and opening the gate, closing the gate. Thirdly, we have a drone. You can use programming on drones for security purposes or artificial intelligence such as machine learning, and you can program it to fly only at a specific area. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.